Hey guys, welcome again to Honey's Kitchen. Today we're gonna create this amazing baked rice chicken teriyaki cups. But before that, I would like to thank everyone who always supported me and for always showing me your love in supporting on my channel. If you are new on this channel, welcome. So, if you would like to create and know how to do this amazing dish, keep on watching. For this recipe, we need a muffin tin pan and a cooking spray, and I divided the ingredients into two parts, which is the rice teriyaki cups and the chicken teriyaki filling. So for the rice teriyaki cups, we need 3 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of minced onion, 90 grams or 3/4 cup of finely diced carrots, one cup of finely sliced green onions, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 garlic cloves finely minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of seasoned rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, and 2 pieces of large egg. For the chicken teriyaki filling, we need 2 pounds or half a kilo of chicken breast. You cut it into bite-sized cube. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of soya sauce, 1/3 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, toasted. So again, if you didn't catch up all the list of ingredients, I will put it down on the description below. So first we're gonna make our teriyaki rice cups. So in a large bowl, you mix your salt, your ginger, the onions, the carrots, the garlic, your rice vinegar, the soya sauce, and your green onions. Leave a little bit and set it aside for the garnish at the end. Then you're gonna crack your 2 eggs, and you mix it properly. So your rice will look like this when you nicely mixed it. And while doing this, I preheated the oven at 400 degrees, and then you're gonna grease your muffin tin nicely. And then you scoop 1/4 cup of rice mixture in each tin. Okay, and then using your hands, you press the rice on the side to make an indentions on the center, like making it into a nice cups. Just press it gently. Make sure that when you press it, you don't make a hole in the bottom, so it will hold on your teriyaki chicken sauce. So it will gonna look like this, and then we're gonna bake it in the preheated oven of 400 degrees for 35 minutes, or until the edges of the pan are golden brown and it started to fall out from your muffin tin. So while waiting for our rice cups to cook in the oven, we're gonna make our teriyaki chicken. In a skillet, you put it on a medium heat, and then you put the olive oil, and then you put your chicken cubes. And then you add your salt. And then you cook it until the chicken is no longer visibly pink. So while waiting for our sauce to get thick, I pulled out our rice cups since it is done, so you can see that it's a little bit brownish on the side, and then it peels off from the muffin tin. And then we're gonna lay it nicely on a nice serving dish. And then this is ready for our sauce, our chicken teriyaki sauce. So make sure, be careful when you put it in the oven, because I think when I hold it, I press on the side, so I flip a little bit on the side, so be careful with that. Have to be gentle. Alright, and then I'm gonna get our chicken teriyaki sauce. So our chicken teriyaki filling is ready, and then we're gonna put it inside our teriyaki cups. So you just like put about maybe four to five pieces of chicken inside. It depends on how big you slice it, so you just fill it nicely. You do with the chicken first. And then after you filled it all with the chicken pieces, you drizzle it with its own sauce. Then finally, you garnished it with your green onions. And we're done. So this is our finished product. So this is the finished product of our recipe today, the baked rice chicken teriyaki cups. If you didn't catch up all the ingredients, again, I will write it down on the description below. Hope you learned with this amazing recipe today, and I hope you will still continue to support me and you don't get tired of always watching on my creations. Again, keep safe everyone, always stay healthy, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on my next video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!